Hello everyone, and I'm Daniel from Bullet Cubing Academy. So this is the part 2 about the cube review on the speed cube set that I got from Amazon. So these are going to be given to my students that I have. They have the class on Saturday, I believe, and I have 16 students. So I'm gonna be actually short on one of the sets, which I'm gonna get probably tonight. And yeah, let's see how I'm gonna tighten and loosen it up, and I'm gonna show you the steps to tighten and loosen those cubes up. So the first thing that you wanna do is this. I actually already finished this one. So what you actually want to do is first you want to get out a brand new cube set, which I have right here. And first I have this toolbox right here. And first you want to cut this open. So I'm gonna actually be using a lot of those screws today. So let's see, let's get into this. Still the same 3 cubes, but they're not tightened. So what I'm first gonna do is show you how to tighten them. So first, you want to, let's start with the 2x2. So first, you want to take the cube out. Which I'm gonna write on my whiteboard right here. So I'm actually gonna be writing all the steps to tighten or loosen the cube up right on the whiteboard right here. So let's see. The first step that you want to do is So the first thing that you actually want to do is definitely get out the cube. And the second step that you want to do is take the cube out and do some first turns. And also figure out if you want the cube more tight or more loose. In this case, I'm gonna make it more looser. So the third step is if you're on the 3x3, then you are going to be opening the center caps, and so you will see the screw right here, and you want to use a screwdriver and one of those to screw it tighter or looser. So now I'm going to be actually tightening the cubes. So first thing, opening up. This is so tight. So I'm gonna be tightening this. And I'm just gonna tighten it by 5 spins. So let's see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you have it. Oh my god, that had improved this cube by like 1,000,000%. This is just so good now. And you can see, this is how loose it is. Compared to when I first had it, it's like only able to extend like this much. And now, really, really loose. And I like that feeling. So that's what I'm gonna set for my students for the class on Saturday. On Saturday, I'm gonna be teaching 4th graders through 8th graders. So that's gonna be really hard to let them concentrate together, but I think I'm gonna manage it. Let's see if this can corner twist. In fact, it can. That's a cool fact. If you loosen it up, it can actually corner twist. See? But I recommend not to twist the corners if you have like a Go Cube, because that's gonna mess up with all the wires inside of it. So there you have it. How to loosen and tighten the 2x2. Okay, there you have it. For the 3x3, it's basically the same thing, but you just want to open the caps, like open it, and then there's basically the same screws like this to screw it in, tight and loose. So let me just finish the whiteboard, sorry. And 4th step, try to make each side the same height. So why? If you make the same, like each of the sides different heights, then you're gonna make like one layer that turns like five rotations every time you like spin it, and one layer you're gonna have like only turns like half a move if you spin it. So that's not gonna be good. So if needed, then you should go back to number 2 and try to figure out if you want to loosen it more. In my case, no. And if you want to retighten it. And repeat until satisfied. And here's a QiYi. That is actually a really bad QiYi. But I guess that's how you tighten it and loosen it. Here, I'm just gonna display this to you. And there you have it, how to tighten or loosen a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching this video, and if you had not hit the thumb up and also subscribe to my channel, please do that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!